Alright, have you ever tried to climb up a tree? I mean jackfruits. So today I'm gonna give you the experience and I wanna try some jackfruits. Of course I tried before 1,000 times, but in the jackfruits you can find them like, see this one is, give a second. This is raw, okay? This one is ripe. So I'm gonna climb up a tree. This is not much tasty as they told me, but they told me there is another tree beside and I'm trying to climb there. Let's see, it's a little bit taller. It's very high, so but I will climb it. Of course I can do it. It's kind of adventure, but I like it. I like to do that. Look at this tree. This one all the way up until there you have to go. Then I have to get there. Anyway, I have some gadgets. I'm gonna use them in a usable way. It will not easy anyway. Let's see. I'm ready to go. Hold on a second, I'll come with my gadget. Whew. It's raw. Go up more. Wow, it's right. Okay, we don't have to go more up. Wow, I can take it off, but I have to carry that all the way. Oh my god, oh no, don't run. Oh, stop, okay. Wow, woohoo, got it. Okay, can I jump? Is that okay? Have you ever dive or climb with a goggle like this? Oh my god, it's so crazy. It's crazy. Oh, the seal is so deep. Oh, I'm so tired. Please don't try this at home. I mean, don't do it. Okay, oh my god. Alright, I'm gonna jump, huh? Okay, to the okay, let me get my jackfruit. I thought it will run away because if I drop from there, it will get rolling. We'll go to the road straight. It can be another problem. Okay, let's go. All right, look at this. This is amazing. I wish it will be nice taste. Woohoo! We did this. Okay, so we need to cut this one, and actually see this one, it's fall down, but nothing happened because they have a very hard and strong skin. It's covered, and so I'll cut it off. I want to cut it into half and I will show you. As you told me, super yummy. It's they call this one honey jackfruits. Honey jackfruits, that means it's super sweet, must be. Look at this. Let's get this, cut it off, and I will cut this one all the way down. Oh, Look at this. Okay, what we really used to do, yeah, look at this. Wow, this is super yummy, I hope. Yes, look at this. Woo. It's nice. Okay, hold on a second. We will check one half like there, like this. All right, and okay, so this one you need to find leaves like that, something clean, huh? Just to clean this pulp. Actually, I couldn't find the name. My translator wasn't enough talent to find that one. It is, but we call koholle. I don't know if any one of you know the name. Please drop your comment there below in English. Please help me out. Help me out because I really don't know the name. I will do this all the things. Okay, actually jackfruits and very popular in Sri Lanka. Here we have free, but no one care. But me, I really care. This is really tasty, and you have to remove that seed. And there is a skin with the seed like this. I used to throw it. I don't like. I don't know, but others eating or not. But see, this is now clean. Fantastic, amazing. You have to try it. This is look at this. Ooh, So this is actually coconut oil. So only the way, there are some other way, but this is good, and only the way to clean this pulp. I don't know actually the name, something like bubblegum anyway. So I ate it already. I'm enough with jackfruits today. So this one is clean like that. Then raining. Then you can wash hands. It will go everything. Now it's nothing now. So I have to clean my hands. Anyway, look at this. This side effects. Already a little injured. It's not hard. It's okay. I'm fine. And so don't think that I'll make a funny video. Okay, so just made fun with you. It's really nice. I mean, like when we was kid, we used to climb up all the trees over there, and that's how we spend the childhood. So just wanna memorize it. It's all the way. Every time we used to play around there. So I like it still. Much better than staying in the city, I hope. Anyway guys, see you soon. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See ya. I wanna wash my hands.